How to fix screen brightness problem in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you're having trouble adjusting your screen brightness on your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. Fix number one is to update your display driver. For that, you have to open up Device Manager. So click on the search icon, search for Device Manager. That will open up Device Manager in your device. Once it is opened up, head over to your display adapter. Expand it up. Now you have to right click on your graphics driver. Then click on Update Driver. Then choose the first option, search automatically for updated driver, and it will automatically update your driver. Here it says the base driver for your device is already installed. After that, you could close your device manager and check if that helped you or not. If not, fix number two is adjust your brightness settings or manually. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. Again, head over to search icon, search for settings. Once you're under the settings, now you have to navigate to your left hand side. From there, you have to go to system. On the system, you have to click on display at the top, and now you can use this brightness slider to adjust your screen brightness. And if that still does not help you, you have to run the troubleshooter. So again, under the settings, head over to system, then go to troubleshoot, and here click on other troubleshooter. Under this section, you have to find an option as a power. Once you find an option for power, you have to click on run from your right hand side, and that will fix the brightness issues caused by the power setting. So these are the ways that will help you fix the screen brightness problem in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.